Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to become one of the top traders in your field. So, becoming a top trader is not someone who gains in profits and all that. Yes, becoming a top trader means that you should know your entry and exit points. You should know how to control your emotions. You should know how to execute a certain trade, how to when to enter and when to exit, and most importantly, when a trade goes against you, what should you do at that situation. Now that's all about becoming a top trader. It's also when you overcome these situation, when you know how to handle these type of situation, then the profits and all that come along with it. But remember that becoming a top trader does not mean that you're going to profit from a certain trade all of the time. Yes, you're going to profit most of the time, but you will also have to face losses as well, because that's part of the trading, that's part of business, as that's part of a business, that's part of business. And that's what trading means, that you will lose some of your you will lose in certain trades, but you should know how to cut your losses. You should keep your losses to as minimum as possible, to not get too much in losses or risk your account. So so becoming a top trader is not a simple thing, it's not easy. You will have to know different strategies, different tricks, tips and tricks along the way of your trading career. To become a top trader, you will have to learn many different strategies. You should know how to apply certain strategies. You should know how to you should know the psychology of the market. You should know when would the market participant react to, at which point they would how would they react. You should know all of these things. well most of the time you should Most of the time, if you do not know how the market participant will react over here, you can indicate that from you can see over here, this was the impact of COVID-19 as an example. When lockdowns were imposed in all over the world, the airlines were banned, all of the things were banned. You can see the investors were selling out their stocks, as you can see over here. So you can take a look you can guess from it that the market will go down because of the impact of COVID-19. So due to these, you should have to keep in mind that certain situation, you will be able to predict certain situations on how they will react at certain points, how the investor will react at certain points. So these are some of the things you will have to keep in mind. And becoming a top trader is fun. You will know trading better than most of the people out there, most of the traders out there. It's the maybe in the top 10% top traders. Becoming a top trader and a successful trader is the one who gains millions from from the stock market. Becoming a top trader is the one who gains about 100,000, 100,000, 200,000, up to $1 million, less than $1 million. That's what I call becoming a top trader. And a successful trader is the one who have gained millions of dollars from the stock market. Now that's what I call trading. That's called trading in the real world. Once you become a top trader in your field, you it's easier for you to become a successful trader as well, because from that on from because the next step from from a top trader is a successful trader. And once you became a top trader, that path would be easy for you, because both are the same. This is the same career to becoming a top trader, becoming a successful trader and a top trader. And up till that, to becoming a top trader, it is a bit difficult, but onwards it's easier for you to become, because once you know know how to apply and how to execute and how to overcome your and once you know how to on your way how to once you know how to overcome your how to, then you will become a top trader, and also a successful trader as well. Because trading is, and besides that, enjoy trading. It's not about gaining profits. Yes, if you're trading in the stock market for your living, to earn your to earn your expense, to earn your means, that's also good. But have fun trading. It's all about having fun and have fun trading. Learn different experiences, learn new things in the stock market, which you will benefit from it. Learn many different things, because it's a journey. It's not a destination where you're going. It's a journey. So enjoy the journey of the stock market, of the share market. Then you know how fun it is. Have fun in it, enjoy it. And that's it for today. Hope you guys become one of the top traders in the stock market or the forex market. I hope I will be good luck with your trading. And that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.